Okay, we've rounded the top mark. We're probably in about the middle of the field. Give me a second there. So we're in about 10th position and about 26 boats, I think. Oh, better than halfway. Look behind us. We've got a heap of sails out there. Skipper's doing the best he can. Yoshida-san. We're on SEaTrek today. And over here we've got Kanda-san. What's your name?
Shimo.
Yashimo?
Yeah, Shimo.
Shimo?
Yeah.
Hello Shimo. So
Hi.
Shimo's main sheet and trim. Kanda's everything. Yoshida-san skipper. And I am Omori.
Last.
Beautiful day. Another glorious day out here. Osaka 1 down by Tannowa. Look at these boys. So we're almost on a square beam run at the moment, so it's a bit quiet. From the start line up to the top mark was a bit windy and a bit rough, so I couldn't do much there. Got a boat retired here for some reason. Feels good.